So if you've turned on your garbage disposal unit and you can hear the motor running, but you know that the rotors aren't turning, it's probably jammed. There is an inexpensive tool you can get at any home improvement center that'll help you with this problem. Let me show you how. It's very simple. You just put the tool into the slot underneath the machine. You're going to rotate once clockwise and then once counterclockwise. Run the water. Rotate again, and then rotate again. After we've used this tool to free the jam, turn on your water and let it run, then turn on the garbage disposal unit. At this point, things should be running properly.